Get ready to meet your new favorite hydration companion, the Stanley Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces, engineered to keep your drinks icy cold for 11 plus hours. Tired of lukewarm coffee or melting ice water on the go? This isn't just another water bottle. It's a game changer for anyone needing reliable, all-day cold hydration and a true best kitchen essential for 2025. Its double-wall vacuum insulation is seriously impressive, ensuring your iced tea stays perfectly chilled from morning commute to evening workout. The thoughtful design includes a comfortable, ergonomic grip handle and a reusable straw, making sipping effortless whether you're at your desk or hiking a trail. And here's the best part for daily drivers. Despite its generous 40 ounces size, it boasts a car cup holder compatible design. No more spilled drinks on bumpy rides. Unlike flimsy alternatives, the Stanley Quencher combines rugged durability with sleek aesthetics, truly standing out as the ultimate travel tumbler. If you're looking to buy the perfect hydration solution that fits seamlessly into your busy life, this Stanley Quencher review shows why it's a top contender. Check out the official product details and grab yours using the Amazon link in the description below. Imagine enjoying perfectly cold water, coffee, or your favorite beverage all day long, without refills or compromise. For unparalleled cold retention, convenience, and style, the Stanley Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces is absolutely a must-have kitchen gadget and your best tumbler investment for 2025.